Good evening. I'm Ed Walsh, Lydonia's Chief Data Officer, and I'll be joined shortly by Vinny LaRocca, our Director of Automation Architects. We wanted to introduce you to Lydonia Technologies and our unique obsession with intelligent automation. I'll share why our customers engage us and the business value that they achieve with us. Then I'll turn it over to Vinny to show you how we enable those outcomes using a combination of Alteryx and our ecosystem of automation partners to deliver those results. At Lydonia, our unique engagement model seeks to teach our customers how to deliver the results by implementing intelligent automation. We find enabling our customers is critical to sustain success. We have developed a repeatable customer automation framework, and we deploy this framework during our engagement. Our customers learn and adopt the methodology to deliver sustained results. Additional automation of business processes, data management, and analytics results as an example. We find this approach unique within our industry, particularly compared to other consulting and systems integrators. This approach has allowed our customers to achieve fast and meaningful business impact. We typically deploy intelligent automation solution 3 to 5x faster than our competitors. Our customers are reporting 4 to 7x return on investment in the first year. We focus on applying intelligent automation across business processes, data, and machine learning domains to remove friction from these processes, resulting in improved customer experience, new business opportunities, and reduced costs. We're seeing our customers increase investment in intelligent automation to become data-driven businesses. The benefits of data-driven enterprises are well documented, with recent studies showing business generating 20% more revenue with 30% reductions in costs. Intelligent automation of business processes and data management enables competitive differentiation for your business. But being a data-driven organization is becoming increasingly challenging, with overwhelming data volumes, additional privacy regulations, and the challenges with integrating different data formats. The key is to remove data silos across organizations and enable true data analytics as a service, driving action and business results. Our customers believe intelligent automation is the key to their success. We've helped businesses develop from multiple industries and different sizes. For example, Acushnet started with 6 automations and now is at over 200 automations in the last 3 years. USI was targeting $7 million in savings through their automation program from one document. MongoDB was saving 1 million hours from automation, but was challenged with being stuck maintaining those automations. Now working with us, they're saving over 50 man hours saved. One of the investments that we've made at Lydonia is our automation briefing center. This center allows our automation experts to meet with businesses and partners to learn and discover how they can benefit from intelligent automation and prioritize the most impactful opportunities while minimizing risk for their business. Working with many customers, we have learned that eliminating friction that slows data flow is critical to success. And we have found that using partners like Alteryx eliminates data flow friction, enables our customers to make faster and better data-driven decisions, resulting in improved customer experience and lower costs. Alteryx integrates into our customers' ecosystem. Vinny LaRocca, who leads our solutions architecture team, is going to share with you a few of our intelligent automation solutions that are powered by Alteryx. So Vinny, I'll turn it over to you.
Thanks, Ed. So we use two primary tools when we're talking about intelligent automation, and these fall into two different categories, APA and RPA. So APA stands for Analytical Process Automation, whereas RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. And we use the best-in-class products in both of these categories. So in APA, that's Alteryx, and in the RPA space, that's UiPath. And what we've seen is if you can start to identify the correct areas to deploy each tool for the right job, you could start to significantly decrease the programming effort required to stand up these automations, as well as reduce the cost of ownership. That ends up giving you increased time to value and drastically increasing your ROIs. So over on the left in the APA side, we're doing more of the mind work. So manipulating data as a whole, doing calculations, transforming, cleaning, prepping data, and then tying into databases as well. So movement of data. On the RPA side, we're doing more of the handwork. So think of controlling the keyboard and the mouse on a computer and replicating things that a person would do today. So managing files, sending emails, accessing different websites and apps. And the key piece of RPA that ties into the rest of this really nicely is that RPA has the ability to integrate with any system that you have access to today. So through UI automation, we can access external websites, any sort of legacy systems that you may have trouble accessing directly. We can come in through the front end and we can actually pull information and data off of that source. And so that gets us into the middle where we're kind of leveraging both. So if we have a data analytics problem where we need to pull data from an external source or a website that I don't manage, I'm going to have to use RPA to pull that information down and then utilize it in my APA process. We can also do event-driven analytics. So let's say you had an APA process that needed to be run when a certain event occurred. Now that could be you're on a website and a tax rate changes or an interest rate changes, and maybe we want to check that. And when the number changes, I want to run a report automatically. I can leverage RPA on the front end to start to do some of that automated triggering. The next piece is when we have automated processes that involve analytical and transactional components. So analytical would be, I'm taking a large data set, I'm manipulating it all as a whole. I want to transform it. I want to change the way it looks. Transactional would be doing one thing at a time. So if I thought about that data set and I have a bunch of rows in my Excel sheet, if I need to take each one of those rows and do something one at a time, think invoice processing or order entry. I'm taking one item, I'm processing it all the way through, then I'm grabbing the next item and I'm moving on. That type of process is a really powerful process in RPA. APA is going to be really good at handling those large data sets. And so when we combine the two, we can handle that with both tools. And then my personal favorite, act on AI predictions. And this is where the big three, as we think of it, start to come into play. So your automation, your analytics, and your artificial intelligence. So a good example of this would be in the supply chain area. So let's say I had a manufacturing plant and I have a bunch of raw materials and I want to figure out, do I have enough raw materials? Am I going to be short at some point? I can start to look at my order history, my current orders, my current throughput on my manufacturing floor. my current count in raw materials, and I can start to make predictions on when I may be short on parts. So maybe the model looks at all of that data and it determines we need to order parts within the next 2 weeks, or in December, we're going to be short. What RPA can now do is grab the result of that prediction and actually go order those parts for you. So rather than just returning a prediction that you need to take and go make an order, RPA can finish out that process. And what we get is front to back automation of an entire process with no human interaction whatsoever. And so when we combine those three, that's when we really start to see the power of intelligent automation. So feel free to reach out to Ed or myself, and we can have a deeper conversation on how we may be able to help you leverage intelligent automation and AI.